mommies and daddy and open your bags, especially mga adults natin. Pwede po kayo mag-participate sa larong ito. Dahil kung hindi kayo magpa-participate, yes, happy birthday from Cameron to all the Jolly Cubes and Jolly Adults. Let us bring the page of time and enter the era of the royals and majesty.
Let the castle gates open.
Birthday message for Bamba. Okay? Okay, kung ready na ako, may mga message na tayo. Talikod na ba tayo? Okay, talikod na Team Boys. Okay, talikod na po. And of course, everybody, ready na ang mga nag-gapuan ng taga-gapuan ng mga adults sa lahat ng party room. And now everyone, let's give it up first, contestant number 1. Let's go! First ng Rapa.
Happy birthday, Bang.
Para si contestant number 1. Para si contestant number 2. Let's go!
Happy birthday, Bang. Message. Yun na nga.
Message.
Message. Ayan. Happy birthday, Bam Bam, and continue to be a bearer of happiness sa lahat, and continue to have that rage, yung smile mo na radiate sa lahat. Nakakahawa yan. Thank you.
Yes, para naman si contestant number 2. Thank you so much, Lady. We'll now take your seat. Meron po sa mga... Okay, yes, meron po sa mga... So last, let's give it up for contestant number 2. Let's go!
Happy birthday, Bam. Gigising na tayo ng maaga ha, next year. Papasok na. bawal lang hindi pumasok. Love you, Bambi. Ako din.
Let's go! Mas kayo po pwedeng camera gamitin. Mas kayo po pwedeng camera gamitin. Okay, dito na muna sa center. Okay, ready, everybody? Closer, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Rocky. Okay, thank you so much. This game is what we call Jollibee Build a Pyramid. Maring isisigaw ang magical word na Happy Birthday! Yes, nang malakas at sabay-sabay. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 2, 1, and 2, 2. And a count of 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Everyone, kita natin kung sino ang nanalo. Walang iba kung bulang team ng girls. Yes, para mga team girls. Okay, team boys, dahil kayo natalo, magka-consequence kayo. Okay? At dahil kanina nabalitaan ko din kay mommy na ang team boys daw po ay magagaling. Sumayan! Power sa spaghetti. Okay? Okay, pinayagan naman ng mga asawa. Pinayagan? Okay, pinayagan naman. Okay, team boys, maganda yan with music. Okay? Team boys, once you hear the music, please clap your hands. Let's go, team boys. Now clap your hands, team boys. Energy. Let's go. Boys. Okay, clap your hands, team boys. Energy. Let's go, team boys. Ready, clap your hands. That's energy. Once you hear the music, please clap your hands. Let's go. Let's clap your hands. Energy. Let's go, energy. One, two, three. How about si Ate? Let's go, let's play. Remember si Kuya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ate, do you want to play? Let's go play. Okay, ready? Kayo po camera pwede gamitin. Okay, ready? Kids, look at the camera. Okay, stand up, kids. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, kids, listen to Boss Simon, okay? I will split you into 8 groups. For our first, okay, third player yung dalawang boys. Okay, team boys. Okay, dalawa na. That's si Kuya. Okay, Jelly kids, listen to Kuya Simon. Okay, go dito. One, go! Let's go! 3 laps. Yes, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go! Let's go! And put it down. Okay, put it down. Show you ready. Put it down, put it down. Okay, next player. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And let's go. Okay, next player. Let's go. Okay, put it down. Go back to next. Kids, primo! Primo, dito ka muna, primo. Okay, dahil lahat kayo nag-participate and dahil birthday ni Baba, lahat kayo, winner! Yay! Okay, yung team ni Baba, what's your year? Baba, you're the Jollibee! BGC Chalmajan. Meet our birthday celebrants together with Daddy and Mommy. Okay, mga kids, sama naman our kids. Okay? Yes, together, yes, with Daddy and Mommy. Okay, let's have a picture taking muna together with best friend Jollibee. Okay, Daddy, picture pa tayo together with Jollibee. Oh, Mommy, picture tayo, Mommy. Okay, so the picture with Papa muna. Okay, ready? Bang! For Papa, of course. Ano ba, Jollibee? Ano yung inanda mo for Papa? Yes, meron kang inanda. Yes, ano yung Jollibee? Meron kang inanda. Jollibee Robe! Wow! Yes, say Jollibee Towel. Wow! Kapit na, baby girl. Kapit na daw, baby. Unwrap mo daw. Unwrap mo daw, baby. Wow! Okay, suot mo na, baby. Saan ba na-request si Jollibee? Alright, 1, two, three, smile. Okay, one, two, three. Sa linyas at may takot sa Diyos na nanginginig-ginig pa, grabe ang inig. Kaya sa atin mo sa Jollibee, I wish Jollibee your second wish. Isa rin si Papa. Mahal na kayong bata. Down to earth. Yes, always stay habal hanggang sa pagkakaroon. Maybe sa Jollibee your third wish. Isa rin si Papa. Mahal na kayong bata. Matalino at mabot ang mga pangarap sa buhay at ano yun? Yes, malayo ang narating. Para naman si Jollibee. Ano yan? Yes, si Jollibee. Ay, Jollibee, ano po Jollibee? And for Mommy M naman and Dad. At si Mommy again and si Daddy ay manatiling mapagbigay kay Jollibee. Nabago na. Nabago na. Magpapinatanda mo agad si Mommy and Daddy. Nabago na. Ano ba, Jollibee? Thank you so much. Okay, napalapon ni Bamba. Yes, ano ba, Jollibee?
Bam.
Yes, Jollibee, your last wish. Nasaan si Bamba? Ay, lumaking bata. Always be happy like our best friend, Jollibee! Yes! Thank you so much, Jollibee. And now, Mommy, Daddy, Papa, hindi lang birthday wish ang Jollibee. Ang inendani.